This is my Ficus Microcarpa. I am take caring this tree from the beginning, which is more than 10 years. I will be working on this tree in detail. Before working on this tree, I will show you the progress of last 1 year. This is exact 6 months after my last working. This will be the 4th time I am working on this tree. I have put the link in the description of my previous working on this tree. You can check those out. Today I am going to repot the tree in a big training pot. At first I will defoliate the full tree. This pot is made of wood. This is a clay pot with good drainage. I will start growing my tree on this plate. It will help to maintain the root base. It will be very easier in future to repot this tree in a good bonsai pot. Now I am just cleaning the root base as much as I can. I just trying to find the end of the root base. Now I will cut the whole lower portion. It will be good enough to fit the tree in good shaped bonsai pot. I will just put the tree on my clay plate and give some soil over the root base. This is after 2 months. Today I will do a little workings on roots. I just use my homemade bonsai soil. And you can see, it's good enough. I made a video on bonsai soil. You can check it out. This tree needs a lot of pruning. Now I will prune the tree as my future expectation. So enjoy the pruning process. I will make this branch as the leader branch in future. So this was the last working on this bonsai in 2020. See you in next working on this tree. Till then, stay high.